Hi, I'm Dr. Vernita, and welcome to Dr. Vernita Educates, where I believe we can heal the nation through education. This is a special time of year. It is right after Christmas and right before the new year. And many people, especially in the Black community, celebrate Kwanzaa. And Kwanzaa means first fruits in Swahili. Kwanzaa was founded by Dr. Karenga in 1966. As a response to the Watts riots in Los Angeles in 1965. He saw this as a way to bring the Black community back together again. I will leave links below if you want to know more about the process and the festivities of Kwanzaa, but today I'm going to talk to you about how the education system can benefit from incorporating the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. Stay with me as we learn all 7 principles and how the education system, especially here in the United States, would be better if we did so. Principle number 1, Umoja. It means unity. To strive for and maintain unity in family, community, the nation, and race. There should be harmony in our classrooms, our school buildings, and our learning centers. Regardless of who is in the room, we as educators are responsible for creating a safe and loving environment where every student, regardless of age, feel a sense of unity, community, and love among their peers and facilitators or their teachers. Principle number 2, Kujichagulia. It means self-determination. To define ourselves, name ourselves, create for ourselves, and speak for ourselves. This can go a few ways. On a personal level, we have to be true to ourselves and our core values. We have to do some personal development work so we can stand up and act on what we believe is right. Why? Because we teach who we are. On a professional level, we as educators have the ability to create, define, and speak for ourselves. We have talents and we have been trained. Therefore, we are more than capable of creating the environment we need for our students. We have more power than we realize. Principle number 3, Ujima. It means collective work and responsibility. To build and maintain our community together and make our brothers and sisters' problems our problems. We can't do this work in isolation. We have to come together with our unique talents and gifts to help each other and our students. We can't stand by watching things fall apart. If we see a problem, that means we have the responsibility to either solve it or to find a solution. Helping someone else does not take away anything from us because we are all connected. If a school on the west side, for example, is in need of resources, then there should be a school on the east side ready and willing to share those resources. Principle number 4, Ujamaa. Cooperative economics. To build and maintain our shops, our stores, and other businesses and profit from them together. I don't think everyone should own their own school or learning center or training and development company, but I do believe that since educators have the power to create, then we have the right to have our own something that will advance the community. Each school or center can be viewed as its own economy, and there is no reason why every school building or center can't be great. Everyone within that system benefits from cooperative economics, meaning that they have something to contribute that will make a profit for the organization or the school. We have enough knowledge and resources to change the environment, but we need space, time, and opportunity to do so. The 5th principle, Nia. It means purpose. To make our collective vocation the building and developing of our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. If you don't know your own greatness, how can you teach and inspire others to be great? As educators, we have to believe in the power of education and applied knowledge and show our students who they can truly be in the world. We have to give them a sense of purpose and let them know that they were created for greatness and show them what that means. Principle 6, Kuumba. It means creativity. to do always as much as we can in the way we can in order to leave our community more beneficial and beautiful than we inherited it. The education system has been practically the same since the 1900s, and probably even before that. With all the advancements in our society, there is no reason why a classroom or a workshop should look the same in 1960 and 2019. We keep doing the same things and barely moving the needle. Educators are creators. Therefore, we are creative. We are moving into a new decade, and nothing should look the same. I am challenging myself and all other educators to change one traditional thing and make it better than it was before. It can be a physical space, a technique, or even a strategy. We are supposed to enhance what was left to us. It is time to enhance this profession. Principle number 7, Imani, and it means faith. To believe with all our heart in our people, our teachers, our leaders, our community, and the righteousness and victory of our struggle. This is probably my favorite. After we have put all of the other principles to action, we must trust and believe in them and that they will work. We must have faith in this profession and believe that the majority of us who are true educators will make the best decisions for our society. But before we can have a global faith in our system, we have to have faith in our immediate circles of influence. That means our families, our school buildings, and our local learning institutions of higher ed. We have to believe in the people we invest in and know that our fight and struggle will create something great. Those are the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. And I believe if we take parts of those principles and incorporate them into our education system, the world will be a better place. Let me know which one stuck out to you. Which one can you incorporate right now? Thank you for watching Dr. Vernita Educates, where I am on a journey to transform the learning experience of 1 billion students. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.